Battery replacement on Dell Inspiron 15P66F laptop. Thank you, ma'am Chrislyn, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Battery replacement on the Dell Inspiron 15P66F is done to restore proper battery life and prevent issues like fast draining, overheating, or sudden shutdowns. The process begins by turning off the laptop, removing the bottom cover, and carefully disconnecting the old battery from the motherboard. After removing the screws holding it in place, a new compatible battery is installed, connected securely, and seated properly. When the bottom cover is reattached and the device is powered on, the laptop is plugged in to allow the new battery to calibrate. This replacement helps improve performance, ensures longer usage time, and keeps the laptop safe and reliable for everyday tasks. Battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.